The Reese Agri Heli Wrapper is an inline continuous bale wrapper that uses the tractor 3-point linkage for easy transportation. This machine uses the tractor's hydraulic system as its power source and can be operated with pretty much any tractor. The Reese Heli Wrapper is a unique patented machine that was designed for the larger farmer or contractor. To operate the machine, the only requirement is that the tractor can deliver 3 gallons a minute at 1500 psi. The Reese Agri Heli Wrapper is a cost-effective quality tool that has been developed to efficiently wrap hay and silage bales with minimum input. It's quick and simple to set up. Just locate your position, say along a fence line. Pull one pin, move the machine forward and back so it comes alongside. Drop the pin back in, fold down the tail wrap and you're ready to go. It's that simple. At the start of wrapping the bales, you need to build up some resistance so the machine and tractor are forced forward as the bales are wrapped. This is usually done by putting a few bales behind the hoop to act as a backstop. The key to operate the machine is a small hydraulic control block. There are two simple controls. A switch that diverts the oil past the pre-tensioner, so when it's in position 1 it's in normal operation, and the ram is pushing the bale hard up against the next bale with up to 15 tonnes of thrust. The control is set so that just before the tractor is pushed forward by the ram, the hoop starts turning. This setting only needs to be set once for operating the machine. The other control switches the bypass in or out, so in position 2 the hoop will turn regardless whether there is or isn't a load on the ram. This is an on-off switch to stop the machine while loading a new roll of plastic. The only component parts on this machine are the hydraulic ram, a hydraulic motor and 2 wire ropes. No expensive electronics to go wrong, few moving parts, so low maintenance. All Reese equipment is designed so a farmer with a reasonable mechanical aptitude and his normal complement of farm tools can service any Reese product. For soft-centered bales, the T-bar is used, so the push is across the whole bale. With a hard-centered bale, only the centre plate is needed to get a nice even push through. The dispensers and rotating hoop are powered by the hydraulic motor, and the dispensers apply a consistent number of layers of the plastic stretch film to each bale. The plastic rolls are 750mm or 30 inches, and the dispensers are preset to give an optimal 55% stretch, ensuring the correct tension and thickness every time. The Reese Heli Wrapper incorporates a variable speed box. This enables the machine to wrap from 2 to 8 plastic layers depending on the user's requirements. 2 aluminium dispensing units are standard equipment. The plastic film passes over the 2 tension rollers, and as the tube rotates the film is unrolled and pre-stretched when the bale is wrapped. As the hydraulic pressure builds up, the Reese Agri Heli Wrapper and tractor move forward when the bales are forced through the wrapping hoop by the hydraulic ram. The Reese Heli Wrapper is easy to use and can wrap up to 90 bales per hour. With the Heli Wrapper, the operating costs are significantly reduced as it requires up to 50% less plastic than individual wrapping of the bales. The Reese Agri Heli Wrapper is a well-built, cost-effective machine that will ensure many years of hassle-free use for its owner. This is an RS280 Reese Agri multi-stacker. Its primary use is to pick up, transport and stack bales. Optional pallet forks can also be attached. The multi-stacker is often used as an alternative to or in conjunction with the front-end loader. The multi-stacker will lift up to 2.8 metres from ground level. This means you can stack 2 large bales comfortably. It can lift 1 tonne or 1,000 kilograms and has a built-in safety factor. If a hydraulic cylinder is attached to the top linkage, the multi-stacker can be tilted whilst in use to assist stacking bales or pallets. The multi-stacker is extremely durable. In the pivot points, it has PETB bushes, which are very high wear resistant and need no greasing. This machine is often used in conjunction with a front end loader, so that two bales can be carried at any one time, one on the back with the multi-stacker and another on the front of the tractor with a front end loader. Very handy if you're wrapping bales in the field and need to bring them to a central spot, or when loading bales on a trailer. The Reese Agri multi-stacker has adjustable feet, which makes it easy to attach or detach the machine from the tractor. The Reese RS280 is designed for the large farmer or contractor who needs strong, reliable equipment that lasts.